Okay. So units already we have partially discussed. Without unit, we cannot do the shopping. Shopping करने जाते हैं, purchasing करने जाते हैं, है ना? You want, for example, apple. So you say him कि 1 kg or 2 kg or half kg, है ना? So kg is the unit of mass. All right. You buy the petrol. Liter is the unit of volume. All right. So without unit, you cannot purchase the things. So we'll define how the units are defined, and then physical quantities, how do we do the measurement, and then dimensions. Dimensions are what? At the end, errors also in this chapter we are going to see. Errors, when you perform the measurement, you are we are likely to commit some mistake. Error is the difference in the actual measurement, actual value and measured value. So let us take the example. Suppose length of the pen is say 10 centimeter here. Huh? So here length is what? Physical quantities, and centimeter is what? Unit. Okay, centimeter is the other unit of length. We have seen meter also and centimeter also. So physical quantities is length. So how do we define the physical quantity? Physical quantities are those quantities. All right. Physical quantities are those quantities by which, just let me shift it slightly upward. Physical quantities are those quantities by which laws of physics can be explained and which can be measured, and which can be measured. It should be measurable. The physical quantities, we can measure them, and we are used to explain the various laws in physics and in other subjects also. Different chapters, different physical quantities we are going to deal with. For example, distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, mass, force, etc. These are the physical quantities we are going to come across in different chapters, and we are going to define the different chapters, laws in different chapters, rules and laws and all. Physical quantities से explain करेंगे. All right. For example, what is the speed of the sound? So physical quantity is the speed. Okay. And measurement will be, it will be measured in units. So say for example, we say 340 meter per second is the speed of sound. So meter per second is the unit. Now this is, we are the 340 meter per second, meter and second. There are two units involved. Such units are called derived units. We are deriving from the 2 units. So we'll describe how many types of units are there and how many types of physical quantities are there. Physical quantities, okay, पहले unit define कर लेते, then physical quantity पे आएंगे. And let us define the units जो है widely accepted. Units are internationally accepted standards for measurement. Internationally it should not be local. Locally we can have different units, है ना? Measurement के लिए भी yesterday I think we have discussed measurement के लिए गज यूज करते हैं. गज is 3 feet and some places बीघा, land measurement के लिए बीघा वगैरह यूज करते हैं. They are not that internationally accepted. So internationally accepted unit standard for measurement. For example, length. Length का unit क्या होगा? Meter. In all countries you can find it meter and very extensively used. International acceptance should be there so that trading can be done, or transportation can be done if we have the common units. So communication will be easy. All right. Aeroplanes go from one country to other country. So common units, common things should be there. Then only there will not be confusion. Otherwise, lot of confusion will take place. So length का unit क्या है? Meter. time ka, seconds, and we have the other units also for length, है ना? But we generally talk about the international system, SI units, and internationally accepted we are talking. So international system, we call it SI unit. We'll see the classification today. ठीक है? So physical quantity defined, it is the quantity by which we can explain the laws of physics and we can measure it. है ना? Measurement भी होना चाहिए उसका. As I told you, suppose some quantity, some physics, if we say, okay, very happy, है ना, emotions, they cannot be measured. तो सबसे पहले रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? मेजरमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट, मेजरमेंट होना चाहिए. वेरी एंग्री, वी कैन नॉट मेजर इट. दिस टाइप ऑफ बिल्डिंग, दिस इज द बिल्डिंग, है ना. बिल्डिंग जनरल टर्म है, उसमें कुछ उसकी हाइट, वी शुड टॉक इट, वी शुड से हाइट इज हाउ मच, then it will be physical quantity. Simply saying building, it is not the physical quantity. Height, width, mass, and all, they will be the physical quantities which can be measured. And units क्या होंगे? International, are very widely accepted standard for measurement. As I told you, you are going to buy some fruits, उसको बताना पड़ेगा कितना kg. Kg will be unit. Gram भी है, gram is also the unit. That is other system of unit, not international system of unit. ठीक है, यहाँ तक no problem. Physical quantity and units are clear to everyone. Or there is
Yes,
a doubt, you can ask your doubts also if you have. Okay. Now basic. Now units जो आप coming back to the physical quantities. Physical quantities जो है, इनको हम दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. One is the fundamental, other is the derived. So physical quantities are two types. Number one, yeah, one is the basic or fundamental quantities. उनको हम बोलेंगे fundamental or basic quantities. How do we define them? Basic quantities क्या होती हैं? Which are independent of other quantities. They have their own existence. They don't depend upon the other quantities. जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बोला, स्पीड बोला था ना, वेलोसिटी बोला था, मीटर पर सेकंड. तो ये इसका यूनिट जो स्पीड का यूनिट दो क्वांटिटीज पे, दो, इट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टू थिंग्स, है ना. तो स्पीड इज नॉट द फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी. स्पीड का जो है डिपेंड कर रहा है, स्पीड इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट? डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. So this will not be the fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantities will be, it doesn't depend upon the other, independent of other quantities. For example, can we give some example? Length is one, mass is other, time is the next, and so on. We will find some more quantities which will be independent of each other. They will not be depending on other quantities. Clear? तो ये fundamental और base quantities हो गई. And derived quantities, of course, which will not be independent. They will depend upon the basic quantities. इनको basic, for example, they are obtained from the basic quantities or fundamental quantities. For example, average speed we have seen, distance upon time. Average speed is the distance upon time. ठीक है? So distance is in fact, distance or length, they are the fundamental quantities. Time is also fundamental quantity. ये time हो गया. Length or distance are same. तो fundamental quantities से derived, they are derived from the fundamental quantities. Clear? यहाँ तक no problem. Basic and derived quantities. So you should be able to explain with few, say, with one or two lines. You should be able to write keywords. That's all. And similarly, fundamental unit. How can we define the fundamental unit? Just can you guess it? Fundamental unit कैसे define करेंगे? Unit of these physical quantities. Unit of fundamental quantities are called fundamental quantities. Simple. Units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. For example, one example we can take length, unit of length is meter. मीटर का सिंबल एम लिखते हैं हम लोग. तो units of these all, जो भी whatever fundamental quantities are there, their unit will be called fundamental unit. Mass, for mass it will be kg, for time it will be second. We will write further. Just we are taking one example. All the examples will be taken further. Clear? Physical quantity we have defined twice, two types की. अच्छा ये further can we classify further? Fundamental quantities को हम और categorize कर सकते हैं. Can we do? Yes, they can be. Some will be vector one, some will be scalar. In this also, they will be, some will be vector, some will be scalar. And a further category can be done, but broad one is this. ठीक है? Are you able to understand these points? बोलिए. If you have any difficulty, just you can clarify. All right. So similarly, derived unit of these quantities, derived quantities will be derived unit. For example, इसका क्या होगा? Meter per second. So can we write here units of derived quantities? For example, we can take one. Unit of speed is meter per second. Okay. So meter per second is the derived one. Meter is the fundamental unit. Speed is the derived physical quantity. Length is the fundamental physical quantity. And units are widely accepted or internationally accepted standard for measurement. हम किसी इवेंट को मेजर करना है, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को मेजर करना है, तो उसके लिए यूनिट लगेंगी, है ना? Different physical quantities will have different units. Without unit, we cannot explain any event, है ना? All right, यहाँ तक ठीक है? System of unit. Now, as I ask you, suppose if I ask you, what's your length, what's your height, you may say 150 centimeter or 1.5 meter or 5 feet, like this you can reply. So there are different systems of measurement. Centimeter, CGS में centimeter होता है length का, FPS में foot होता है, MKS में meter होता है. So we have these, है ना? So there are following 4 systems of units. Same quantity, same physical quantity can be measured. Same length can be measured in this system, this system, this system. Or fourth one is also there, which is modified form of the third one. Third one को थोड़ा modify किया. तो 4 system में measurement कर सकते हैं. Units can be measured in 4 system of units. They are widely accepted, or we can say they are used in many countries, but fourth one is used in almost all the countries. So 4 system of units are there. One is CGS. C stands for centimeter, first letter centimeter. Length की unit को length की unit है centimeter. First word, first letter indicate the length. Second letter is gram. G stands for gram. उनको capital letters में से indicate किया. It is a unit of mass. Third one is second. It is a unit of time. CGS. So many times numericals are given in CGS. Centimeter में दी होगी length. So we have to change it in meters, dividing by 100. Getting this? And FPS is what? This is called British system. In Britain, they are using still this one. They are using locally. They are using this. Internationally, they are using SI unit. So they measure the length in foot. We are also sorry, we are also using foot. फुट स्केल आते हैं ना सर, 112 इंचेस ऐसा रहता। तो लेंथ फॉर फीट और फुट, मास is measured in pounds. Can you read it? It is POUNDS. Can you read it? Pounds. मास को पाउंड्स में मेजर करते हैं ब्रिटेन में। टाइम ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवेयर सेकंड्स, टाइम because all are measured in seconds, and length and mass are measured in different units. Pound is the currency of Britain also ना, वहां पे करेंसी भी पाउंड्स है और मास भी पाउंड्स में मेजर करते हैं। All right. MKS is what? M stands for meter, which is a unit of length. K क्या है? किलोग्राम. K stands for kilogram. Here you can see first letter, unit of mass. Time का सब में seconds है. You don't have to worry about the time. ठीक है. तो this we are using mostly, but later on it is modified further. इसमें some more plus 4 quantities were added, and some definition were also changed. Length की meter की definition भी change की गई थी. Plus 4 added. Later on 2 more added, जिनको supplementary बोलते हैं. तो in 1971 there was the General Conference on Weights and Measurements. They recommended SI unit, International System of Unit, in Geneva, France. So SI unit, International System of Units, but why we call it SI? It is a French word, French language. System International D units. Like this it is written, but in English we can write it like this: International System, simple. So MKS is modified. So this 3 plus 4 more. So total, it has total 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. So fundamental units 3 तो ये हो गए, 4 more we are going to see. ठीक है. So let us go back to the system of units. So 4 system of units: CGS, FPS, MKS, and MKS is further modified SI unit. So in these 4 system of units, you may get the numericals. Particularly, this is avoided. This is absolutely avoided. Mostly CGS numericals are given. MKS, which is later on called International System. ठीक है. So what is the importance of this? इसकी importance यही है कि we can just measure the things uniformly all over the world. Uniform language है ये, uniform system है. तो production line and I told you conveyance or the transportation and all, uniformity should be there. Length है तो meter में we'll talk. So let us see now. And here in numericals also we are dealing, and we have to convert in 99% we are converting in SI unit, even if it is given in CGS. So otherwise, half of the units you take in CGS, half of the unit you take in SI unit, then numericals will go wrong. Either you take all the units, all the physical quantity in CGS unit, then your answer will come in CGS. Later on, you can convert into SI unit, or you can convert all of them in SI unit, and then you solve the problems, and then answer will be all right. Otherwise, it may go wrong. And as for example, time is given, time of course in seconds. Length is given in centimeter, उसको meter में convert करके, then we'll put it in, then we'll find out the speed or velocity or acceleration and so on. Centimeter को meter में convert करना चाहिए कि नहीं? We have to convert, otherwise suppose it is further question solve करना है, पहले अगर हमने SI unit में ही नहीं convert किया, other things, half of the things are in SI unit, तो we will end up with the wrong answer. ठीक है, तो particularly numericals point of view, you have to keep it in mind. Either all the units should be in CGS converted or in MKS, that is nothing but a SI unit. ठीक है, तो 7 कौन कौन सी हो सकती है? एक तो यही हो गई लेंथ केजी एंड सेकंड. लेट अस सी दिस एनसीईआरटी बुक का टेबल देखते हैं 2.1. कैन यू सी दिस? इट इज टेक्स्ट बुक table chapter number 2 and table number 1. SI base quantities and units. Base quantities SI में कितना 7 है ना? 7 we have seen. We have the 7 days in the week. We have 7 colors in the rainbows, and we have the 7 units in SI unit. ठीक है? Can you remember easily? Are you there or not? Just confirm. Since long no.
Yes, sir.
I have not heard. Okay. ठीक है. So any difficulty so far? No problem.
No, sir.
Or is it, okay, no problem. So now our focus will be on SI units only. SI stand for international system. International system. It is French word system international D units. तो उसको हम लोग इंग्लिश में इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट बोलेंगे. 7 fundamental quantities and their 7 units. है ना? 7 fundamental quantities है, इसमें 7 units है. Of course, if we have the 7 units, in this SI unit, so there will be 7 physical quantities which we can call it fundamental quantities. First one is the length, base quantities. इसमें 7 base quantities है, and all will have their 1 unit. So fundamental or base quantities. Length, name, SI unit is meter, symbol is M, and mass is kilogram. We are measuring the mass in kilogram, and symbol is kg. Okay. Short symbol. Every time we cannot write this much big unit, so you can save your time by writing symbols only. Time is second. Symbol is S, a very short symbol. Electric current is ampere. Scientist का नाम है ampere. So, but scientist, it is name, but when it is written as a unit, then we have to write with the lower alphabet. Otherwise, when you write the name of the scientist, then you can write ampere. But when we use it as a unit, then small letter. And if you are using its symbol, then capital letter. That's all. A stands for ampere, which is the unit of current, electric current. So these are the internationally symbols. You cannot change them according to your own convenience. You have to follow this, otherwise marks will be cut. Now, thermodynamic temperature or temperature, heat. Thermodynamic means heat. Temperature is Kelvin. Again, scientist name, but we will start with lower alphabet K. And if we want to write only symbol, then first letter K. Kg is for kilogram. K is for your temperature, Kelvin, unit of temperature. Sixth physical quantity, sixth base quantity or fundamental quantity is amount of substance. Generally we use it in the chemistry, mole. Symbol is mol. Remove letter E, mole. This is also kilogram. You may have some doubt here. This is also amount. This mass is also certain amount of certain quantity of matter, and this is also. But this is certain fixed quantity of matter. Mole means एक particular fixed quantity रहेगी. उसमें certain fixed number of molecules will be there. Mass can be any value. No fix. It can have any amount. But this will have certain fixed amount. Generally used in chemistry. 1 mole will have certain fixed amount of certain particular substance. ठीक है? Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity deals with the light or brightness, and its unit is candela. Symbol is CD. Candela. Word candle comes from this only. है ना? Candle use करते हैं, and candle means इसका जो brightness है, it is measured in candela, which is called luminous intensity. ठीक है? Clear यहाँ तक? तो, but definition is not generally not asked. You will never be asked a definition. Why? Because definition के लिए different formulas are required. है ना? जैसे एम्पियर है, 12th में we are going to define the ampere in magnetism, है ना? Because without formula it will be very difficult for you to remember. And length, meter, 1 meter also can be defined, but difficult to remember these digits. Very big numbers. So let us try this. 1 meter is the length of path traveled by the light in vacuum during the time interval of 1 by 299,792,458. That much fraction of second. That much small fraction of second में light vacuum में how much distance it will cover? That will be exactly 1 meter. 1 meter. You be anywhere in the universe, either you be it at Earth, Moon, Mars, or in some other galaxy. This is not going to change. In this much fraction of second, light will cover vacuum में this exactly 1 meter. Old way of definition of 1 meter was they took one rod of 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter, and उसको lab में रख दिया था. But problem क्या थी? When temperature goes up, it used to increase its length. When temperature goes down, it will decrease its length. So it was variable. It was affected by the external factors. External factors are changing its value. At particular temperature, it will have exactly 1 meter. But external conditions changing, it is also changing. Therefore, they removed and they defined like this. It will never change. If you are accurately in this much fraction of time, it will travel 1 meter in vacuum. You create the vacuum and project the laser beam, note down the distance in this much fraction of second, exactly 1 meter. In fact, if you see carefully, this is nothing but a 3 into 10 to the power 8. That is the speed of light in meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 है, rounded off कर दिया गया. It is 3 lakh. 3 into 10 to the power 8 in fact. Round off करके देखो इसको. And from here we get the speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in 1 second. And the distance is equal to speed is equal to distance upon time. Time को ये put करो, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा 1 upon. So it is nothing but a 3 into 10 to the power 8 rounded off to the. ठीक है. So similarly, 1 kg still they are taking the prototype. एक cylindrical mass है, prototype है. They are kept in the lab, platinum, iridium. I will show you its diagram also. Alloy kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures, near France, near Paris in France. Severus place का नाम है. There is the International Bureau of Weights and Measures. Shall I show you its diagram? देखो, cylinder ऐसा दिखता है वो. This one is the photo of that. International 1 kg standard mass platinum iridium cylinder, 3.9 centimeter in height. ये 3.9 है centimeter, and diameter also 3.9 centimeter. So this is in the lab. Any country want, they can go and see there and can take the sample of that 1 kg कितना होता है? How much it measures? ठीक है? So like this, the other definition will come, but we have to remember this units. है ना? This you have to remember, otherwise you cannot solve the problems. है ना? Length का मीटर ही लिखेंगे always, ऐसा यूनिट है ना? Mass का kg, and time is seconds, current is in ampere, and temperature is Kelvin. What other unit we are coming across? Kelvin के अलावा, apart from Kelvin, any other unit you come across?
Degree
Degree
Celsius and
Celsius.
Fahrenheit.
Degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, है ना? तो उनको convert करना पड़ता है Kelvin में. We will learn the method to convert it. Mole, CD. This we don't need it. None of the chapter has this unit in our physics. Luminous intensity वाला chapter, it is removed from the course. It was 10 years back. So we'll come across all these 6 one. All right. Now
Sir?
what about 2? Yeah.
सर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट तो डिपेंड करता है ना चार्ज फ्लोन पर यूनिट टाइम, तो वो
हाँ.
फंडामेंटल क्यों है?
इलेक्ट्रिक करंट नहीं, देखो चार्ज, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो है, चार्ज को हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, Q इक्वल टू IT ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. चार्ज डिपेंड्स ऑन करंट एंड टाइम, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. चार्ज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन करंट एंड टाइम, Q इक्वल टू IT, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, है ना? तो वी कैन नॉट से कि वो डिपेंड कर रहा है, वो डेफिनेशन है करंट की, दैट इज द डेफिनेशन, है ना? बट दैट डेफिनेशन इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. करंट इज, you say the current is what is called rate of flow of charge, है ना? So that definition is not accepted. Other definition is there. देखो, current की definition shall I show you? This one. How do you define the current? 1 ampere current is 1 ampere is the ampere, that is 1 ampere is the constant current which, if maintained in the two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible circular cross section placed 1 meter apart in vacuum, would produce between these conductors a force equal to 2 into 10 to the power -7 Newton per meter of length. It is not defined I is equal to Q by T. इससे नहीं define किया गया. It is defined with the other way. ठीक है? That is current. Main definition is different, but other one I is equal to Q by T. That is other way of defining. But actual is this one. ठीक है? Any other doubt? Okay. Similarly, you may, okay. If I ask you, say F is equal to MA. So M is equal to F by A. We'll say M depends upon force and acceleration. No, it is not like that. F is equal to MA means if you apply the force on certain mass, certain acceleration will be produced. If you apply certain force on the mass, acceleration is produced. If mass is less, same force will produce more acceleration. So that's how it goes. So every relation will have some, every term will come in some other relations. So it doesn't mean it is the derived one. Okay, clear?
Yes sir.
So you have to remember the symbols. ये हो गया आपका. हाँ, supplementary 2. I told you 7 plus 2. So do you remember what can be 2 supplementary units? Anybody can guess? You must have angles. Plane angle and solid angles are 2 supplementary. Little bit of that mathematical part is also added in this. So 2 supplementary units. First one is plane angle. Why we call it plane angle? Because it will be in one plane. Circle can be drawn in one plane. उसका जो है angle at center are just 2 lines. 2 lines. What? They will be in one plane. एक plane में रहेंगी वो. So in that plane, what is the angle between them? ठीक है? So plane angle is ratio of length of the arc डिवाइडेड बाय रेडियस है ना, इसको अगर हम सर्कल कंप्लीट कर लें तो लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क, बिगर द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क बिगर विल बी द, अगर आर्क की लेंथ बढ़ा दे, इतनी कर दे, तो एंगल भी बढ़ जाएगा फॉर सेम सर्कल. तो इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ, ओके लेट अस राइट इट, प्लेन एंगल इज डिनोटेड बाय थीटा और d theta also, दोनों सिंबल है. If angle is very small, then we write d theta. If angle is of significant value, तो theta लिखेंगे. Both can be used. So ratio of arc and radius, and the length of the arc is in numerator and radius is in denominator. तो symbol कैसे लिखेंगे? Theta is equal to arc का symbol हमने s ले लिया. Radius is r, and r is shown. So theta is equal to s by r. S is the length of the arc, है ना? R is the radius, of course. तो यूनिट क्या होगी एंगल की, बोलो? व्हाट कैन बी द एंगल, यूनिट ऑफ एंगल? प्लेन एंगल वी कॉल इट. कैन यू, डू यू नो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ प्लेन एंगल? इट इज रेडियन, यू नो. ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ प्लेन एंगल इज रेडियन, RAD. फुल नेम इज रेडियन. इट इज नॉट द डिग्री. डिग्री का रिलेशन अभी हम निकालने वाले हैं. Degree, how the degree is related with the radian. That's what we are going to do now. Okay. Radian. Other unit, of course, is degree, which you have done it in the 10th standard. So, do you have you heard this radian? Was it there in 10th standard in maths or physics? In maths particularly. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see how both are related. How can, suppose if I tell you, okay, this angle is 60 degree, but degree is not the SI unit, we have to convert it into radian. So let's see how to convert it. So let's see how the degree is converted into radian and vice versa. Now onwards, we will be writing both the units. Sometime it is written in radian, so you should know how many degrees. So let us learn this. जैसे मैंने, okay, we are learning the relation in the, okay, ठीक है, यहाँ तक okay, just let us go back, okay, there is a problem, just a minute. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll bring back the screen, just a minute. If we turn this iPad, it becomes unstable and the screen shot goes. Okay, now it is there. Okay, let us, it has come. ठीक है. So what we have seen so far, हम लोगों ने in this what is called SI unit में, we have seen 7 base quantities and 7 fundamental units for them. But 2 supplementary units में, first one is plane angle. ठीक है. So plane angle is ratio of arc and radius, and its unit is radian, not SI unit is radian. SI unit is radian, not the SI, not the degree. So we are going to learn relation between both. So देखो, it is in the form of question I am giving. Take this question. Find the angle made by semicircular arc at its center in radian and in degree. देखो semicircular arc can, shall I shift it upward? हाँ देखो, ये है, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का एंगल. सेमीसर्कल भी ड्रॉ, चलो ऐसे ड्रॉ कर लिया. So how much will be this thing? Of course, okay, particle goes from here to here. कितना एंगल बनना है ये? How much angle?
180 degree.
डिग्री में तो हमें पता है 180 डिग्री है ना. दिस
Pi radian.
हाँ, इधर आ गया. तो you say 180 degree, that you know, but how it is equal to pi, we can derive it. Somebody told pi radian. Can we derive the relation? Yes, from this example we can take. So writing the formula, देखो दोनों का रिलेशन बनाते हैं. थीटा इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस है ना. आर्क लेंथ कितनी, हाउ मच इज द लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क, टेल मी, half of the
Pi r.
circumference, pi r and r goes, this is the pi radian, ठीक है, pi radian, value of pi remains same जो हमने सीखी है, this comes to be pi, है ना? तो आंसर आ गया pi radian, ठीक है, and also ये theta pi radian आ गया, also we know it is a straight line है ना, तो theta is equal to 180 degree, तो therefore 180 degree is equal to pi radian, है? 180 degree is equal to pi radian, clear? तो यू टोल्ड पाई, तो यहाँ पे लिख लिया हमने, देखो कैन यू सी इट, यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है 180 डिग्री, तो फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशन यू कैन कन्वर्ट डिग्री इनटू रेडियन और रेडियन इनटू डिग्री, क्लियर? तो मेनी टाइम्स इन दिस 11th स्टैंडर्ड, इन मैथ्स आल्सो, इन फिजिक्स आल्सो, पाई बाय 2 ऐसा दिया होगा, एंगल इज पाई बाय 2 और पाई बाय 3 और पाई बाय 4 like that. So very simple way we will used to convert it from radian to degree. Let us see how. ठीक है, this is okay यहाँ तक, clear to everyone? बोलो 180 degree we approved it, देखो ये pi radian आया और directly we can say and this is 180 degree. So both are same angle, so therefore both have to be equal. Done? No problem. So this was all about your supplementary units. One of them, plane angle. Any difficulty in this? Come on. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना यहाँ तक? Shall I do one more? Shall I solve numerical to convert one from other, degree to radian and radian to degree? Let us see. Then we'll wind up. जैसे for example, what is the value of? अच्छा, pi की value, okay, yeah. If you ultimately, if you want to put the value of pi somewhere, so it will remain 22/7. That's 3.14. Pi की value, you can put it. Now my question is this: what is the value of pi by 2 radian in degrees? तो देखो, simply we can write it pi is equal to 180 degree. जहां पर pi है वहां पे 180 डिग्री लिख देते हैं, ज्यादा उसको यूनिटी मेथड में कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं. Simply we can do it or not. Wherever you see, you have come to know pi is equal to 180 degree. So here is the pi. Put it 180 degree 2 as it is. Cancel हो जाएगा, 90 डिग्री आ जाएगा, है ना? तो nothing big deal in this, no rocket science. Simply pi की value 180 degree. This you have to remember. है ना? We have proved also. I'm not telling you कि how it comes. We have proved it. ठीक है? तो suppose if I give you the homework, very simple one. This one. ये कर सकते हैं अपने आप. Can you convert? Very simple method of conversion. ठीक है, तो this is your homework problem. क्या करना है इसमें? What to do? pi को 180 पुट कर देना, that's all. और simplify कर लो. So most of the time you will get the angles like this in physics and in maths also. Pi by 6 or pi by 3 or pi by 2 like this. Pi by 2 भी कर लेना. Pi by 2 is most commonly used. ठीक है, this is the first homework. Now reverse करते हैं. Degree is given, रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है. Let's see. यहाँ तक नो प्रॉब्लम ना? बोलो जल्दी से. This is okay. Noted homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll do reverse of that, then we'll wind up. तो जैसे सपोज ये वी विल टेक डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है ना, फिर यूनिटी मेथड से हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे ना. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 30 डिग्री इन रेडियन. ठीक है, तो यूनिटी मेथड यूज कर लेते हैं. डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो विल सी since 180 degree is equal to pi radian, therefore 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. 180 को नीचे शिफ्ट कर दिया तो 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू आ गई. therefore 30 डिग्री को क्या करेंगे हम, किसमें कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, पाई बाय 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. यूनिटी मेथड 1 डिग्री की वैल्यू पता है, तो 30 डिग्री को क्या करेंगे, 30 इंटू पाई बाय 180. तो हाउ मच इट कम्स, पाई बाय 6. ठीक है, तो क्या करना है इसमें, पाई बाय 180 अगर रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो दिस नंबर पाई बाय 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. करने से जस्ट लेट मी पुट इट सम मोर क्लोजर. एक मिनट, रेडियन को पास में रखते हैं. तो जैसे हम लोग किलोमीटर पर आवर को कन्वर्ट करते हैं, ऑलराइट. तो सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो पाई बाय 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. जस्ट अ मिनट, लेट मी पुट इट अगेन. So this is the conversion factor when you want to come back to radians. तो पाई बाय 180. ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. हियर पाई बाय 180 दैट इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेडियन. तो 30 डिग्री था, ये भी डिग्री, ये भी डिग्री, तो डिग्री डिग्री विल गेट कैंसल, 6 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा, उसमें पहले वाले में क्या किया था, पाई को हमने डायरेक्ट पुट कर दिया था 180, बट हियर डिग्री है तो पाई बाय 180. ठीक है, क्लियर. तो कैन यू प्रैक्टिस सम एंगल, ये वाले कर सकते हैं. क्या करना है, सब में पाई बाय 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करते चले जाएंगे. पाई बाय 180, पाई बाय 1, और सिंपली पाई की टर्म में आंसर रखना. डोंट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज इक्वल टू 3.14. we are not supposed to put it, we are supposed to write in terms of pi. They are the standard way of writing. Pi की value is not to be put 3.14 even if you know that 3.14. Clear? Shall I end it here? So what we have seen, okay, ये नोट कर लो इसका होमवर्क भी. तो what we have seen, SI units में 7 main units and 2 fundamental units में, 2 supplementary units में, one of the supplementary units have been done, that is the plane angle. And in that, if you want to convert degree into radian, simply multiply by pi by 180, so degrees will be converted into radians. And if you want to convert radian into degree, wherever you find pi is written 180 से replace कर दो उसको. And better you remember this relation. And if you forget everything, 180 degree is equal to pi radian, you have to remember this. All right, this is supplementary unit, and we have seen 7 fundamental units. And उससे पहले क्या पढ़ा, system of units. Okay sir, just
Yeah, we have bio class now for.
okay. ठीक है, so any difficulty so far, anything you want to clarify here quickly? Everything noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो.
Bio students wait back. Others can leave after sir tells. Bio students wait back. Bio class अपनी यहीं पे होगी.